Hi, I'm Bob Vavra, Content Manager for CFE Media. We're here at the Digital Manufacturing and Design Innovation Institute in Chicago with one of this year's System Integrator of the Year winners, Arturo Freitag, the Director General of ECN. First of all, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, Bob.
Talk a little bit about what this award means to you and to the rest of your team.
Yeah, uh, to be the system integrator of the year is a big proud of for the company itself. It's very good for all our personnel because they will feel they are working in the correct company. I will talk with them about what we won, and it's very important for our company. And as well, it is for our customers because if all the people wants to work with that success companies. So in that order, if when we tell them, they will feel they are working with the correct company.
Excellent. Um, you talked about communication both with your customers and with your people. Let's talk about your customers for a second. What are they telling you that they need in manufacturing systems to grow and develop manufacturing? And how are your organization and your people changing to meet those needs?
Yeah, thank you. There are many challenges that our customers are fronting in these days. One of them, what we have seen in most of our customers, is the obsolescence of their platforms of automation. So one of the most important today is how they will handle that obsolescence. And that's why in ECN automation, we develop a full area focus on that part of the processes, the migration of system PLCs or DCS. And we have many success cases in Mexico as well in the USA.
Are you starting to see people being more comfortable with the idea of investing again in manufacturing after a long period where they may have kind of put things back on the back burner?
I think so. We are focused on the process industry as food and bev, mining, chemical plants, and so on. And what I saw is with prices go increasing in those days, they are they have money to invest in their processes.
Very good. What makes a good customer for a system integrator? What should manufacturers do to make sure that their project, when they work with you, is going to be a successful one?
Well, for us, a very good customer is the one when we can start working since the specification of the system. When they give us the opportunity to recommend the technology platform, and then they will specify that for their invest is what we expect from our customer.
Very good. In turn, what should your customers expect from you? What makes a good system integrator?
A good system integrator should be that one very well prepared technology in the technology they are using, but not only in the technology, in all the project management that need for a success project.
Very good. You've got to listen very carefully to what your customers are asking you to do, and in turn, they've got to be asking the right questions.
Oh yes, it's very important to understand what their needs are and what kind of technology that will fulfill all the necessities.
Finally, we hear a lot about personnel. You talked about your personnel at the outset. Talk a little bit about the recruiting process, both in Mexico and the U.S., to find skilled and qualified people to come in and provide the system integration guidance that your customers need.
Yeah, what we do is to be part of the internship programs of the different schools. So the new engineers come to our company since they are finishing their studies. So this is very good because they know very well the company, our customers, and they are really sure that they want to work in the system integrator company because it's a very special work for an engineer.
How has that process changed in the last few years? Are you starting to see more enthusiasm around getting involved in system integration and manufacturing in general from the engineers?
In one hand, yes. What is amazing in the last years is that new engineers learn very fast this kind of job. I remember some years ago we need more than 1 year to have one full developed engineer, even more, even 2 years. But now in 6 months they are really ready for a full project and for the process. So they are very enthusiastic doing that.
Very good. Well, congratulations again to Arturo and to ECN on this System Integrator of the Year award from CFE Media.
Thank you both.